Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Oh, what a day. Did you notice something? Okay. If you did not notice, that is okay. I will tell you what I was trying to show you, and it proves a point if you did not notice. So this morning I woke up early, involuntarily, by the clock, by the alarm clock, and I got prepared, get ready for my day, and came to work. And it's just a very confusing day for whatever reason. And it's not a good feeling. You get like you get everything in order, everything in right. Just one of those days, you drive out and you find you didn't bring the key. Actually, you have the key, you forgot the bag, but it's actually inside the bag. I think it's something that when you have too many things in your mind, it's actually myself. When we have too many things in our mind with stress, not really a stress, with just a lot of things, you cannot think clear. You cannot think step by step and separately. Everything feels so cloudy, so foggy, so unclear. Get confused. And I think one thing good, even though I do not have room to process my thoughts, I am grateful that I had a kind of system. For example, when I get out, I check phone, bag, key, little bag, lipstick, I have my order of it. 电话、手机、电话、钥匙、书包、电脑. In my mind, I have this checklist, so that helped me. Even if something you put in the back of the car, you cannot see it visibly. You have your prefixed system to help you get over your day, get through your day. Do I make any sense? Anyway, now I have a couple of hours time, and instead of running around to prepare things, I decide to prepare my mind, my thought, to come here to see nature in its most primitive stage, and empty my thought. Everything is okay. If you start a day badly, if you start a day unprepared, If you start a day awkward, think about it. You have already exhausted one of the bad karma, one of the bad luck. There will be more positive, there will be more good luck waiting for you. I woke up, I prepare myself, I choose the color, and my sweater is inside out. Nobody noticed. I myself, I didn't notice. I went to the car, I look at myself, oh, the sweater looks a little bit strange. Maybe people noticed, just didn't say it, or maybe people are too busy and did not even notice. For whatever reason, this world runs on its own system, on its own way. Some little, teeny tiny little mistake, it can all get over. Maybe because people's kindness or courtesy not to embarrass me to tell me. Or maybe because we are just busy, did not notice these tiny little things. If we do not put too much attention in unimportant things, we can liberate ourselves. And it's quite enlightening moment. Sorry for the noise, and it's quite an enlightening to think about it. Every day we learn to put things to perspective. Morning, people minding their business, do their exercise, do their jogging, do their running, do their walk. Life has its own way. Starting bad means you have chance to be better. Starting bad means you give opportunity, you give chance to better off than right now. I love you, I really do. Do. I think I got these things out of my system. As my husband put it, you need to get this out of your system. I think the other day I didn't eat something, or I ate something, a particular thing too much. Anyway, just not feeling right, feel not comfortable. And he said, you just need to get it out of your system. You need to do something. You need to take one particular action, or I forgot. So I spoke those words in my heart. It's stuck there. I want to speak it out, and now it is out. It is out of my system, and I am ready for my day. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.